welcome back to my channel. Today I have got a product review for you, and I am reviewing this big old box here from Zoella. This is the Christmas range combination box. I will be taking the items out of this box and telling you what I think of them. I've given them all a little try out, so I will give you my true opinion and stuff that I've actually given a go, so I will tell you exactly how they work and if I like them. So let's jump straight into it. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you have any other video suggestions for me, then by all means put them in the comments box below. So let's jump straight into it. Okay, so first up we have got the shower scrunchie. Just the same as a normal shower scrunchie, although this one looks very cute, I must say. It's got a cute little bit on there with Zoella written on it, and it's also a very creamy colour with pinky swirls in it, so it looks like raspberry ripple, which I think is very nice. Just a normal scrunchie, but very handy as always with any scrunchies that you need in the bath to help you lather up and get all foamy and ready to scrub away the day. Next up we have got the Splash of Milk bath milk powder. That's this one here. I have used this one. There is quite a lot in the sachet. It's filled up right to the top in here, so this if you don't like a lot of product in your bath, this could last you 2 baths if you want to do that. Me personally, I like to put loads in, so I used a whole one of these in my bath, and it was so soft and silky and creamy. My bath was misty and it was so luscious and really nice to enjoy. Definitely a great product. I've tried some from the jelly and gelato range, so I knew that this was going to be a good find, and I really enjoyed this. Next up I have got the Winter Wonder Hand. That's this one here. This is the hand cream with the Zoella scent in it. This one I have got about 4 of these now because I've got a couple of boxes and things, and people have given me this as a gift for Christmas, so I am very happy about that. These are very handy. It's very good for your hands. It's got a really nice scent to it as well, and this has definitely been working wonders repairing my hands that are getting cracked and ripped with all this cold weather that we're having at the moment. So this one is a great find. Next up I have got the Snow Scoop Bubble Bath. This little jar just here is adorable. I must say all of the packaging for all of these items is really beautiful. The only downside I would say to this range is that every item has a silver foil cap on it, and I must confess I did spend about half an hour trying to peel them all off. It was an absolute nightmare, but that doesn't take away anything from the outside packaging or the products inside. It's just a little niggle for me. It just takes ages to get into them to enjoy them, but I really did enjoy them once I used them. This Snow Scoop is really luscious. I use a very unconventional scoop to get mine out. I used a pumpkin scoop just because I don't have a proper one, but it works fine for me. It's really great. So it's easier to use some sort of scoop to get this out because it is just in a jar and it's runny inside, so just bear that in mind, or if you're going to try and tip it, just watch you don't tip it all out in one go. But it's a really great bubble bath, beautiful bubbles and a lovely scent in my bath as well. Very luxurious and very enjoyable to use in my bath, so absolutely love that product. Next up I have got the Snow Smooth Body Pudder. That's this one here. Again, very pretty, beautiful packaging with these little pink trees on there. This is a great product as well, very good for putting on your skin, making you feel all soft and supple. Very nice, and I really enjoyed using this one as well. Although I don't use body butters and things like that a lot, but this one definitely intrigued me to try it, so I will definitely be using that again. Next up we have got the Snow Polished Body Polish. That's this one here. This one is really good for rubbing your skin down and polishing off on any of that dead dry skin and stuff. This comes out, it's almost like sand or grit. It's really good. Although that may sound horrible and very scratchy, it actually by having that in there really helps remove all of the dead skin and makes your skin feel so soft and really nice and smooth once you've used it. So it works very well, and you get a lot in there, so a little bit goes a long way. Next up I have got this Snow Silky body lotion. That's this one here. This is a nice big bottle and that will go a long way. And this is really good for making your skin so soft and smooth. I used it yesterday and my skin is feeling absolutely fabulous after my bath, so very happy with this product and I will definitely continue using it. And last up we have got the Snow Fresh body wash. That's this one here. This again is a beautiful packaging. Really love this, and the whole range packaging is just fab. This one is the body wash and I've used this and it's kind of like jelly inside. It comes out quite thick, so you really don't need a lot. I used this yesterday and I've hardly even, you can hardly see I've used it. And I used to use that for washing my whole body, so this went a really long way and you get a lot for your money in there. This was a really fab item. It smells beautiful. All of the scent for the range is absolutely fab and I absolutely loved it. So guys, that's my review of this Zoella box for this Christmas. I have really enjoyed the products in there. Great value for money. Nice big size products as well for the price. I paid £30 for that and I think that it's an absolute fab buy. So well done Zoella, another product that I really love from you and I will continue using with a fabulous scent. So guys, that's my review. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd love to hear your thoughts about the range as well, so give me a comment down below and I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye!